Yeah, the kid has a shit.
Nope. You know, I'm wondering if I stand right here. Because I can see down this way, and I can see down into the dude, I can fucking Rambo this shit right here. The problem is there's carpet right here, and there's a slit in it so they can see me. Yeah. My goggles are foggy. I'm recording. I am. I'm recording to make sure the hostage dies. Well, yeah. My job is to either hold you 20 minutes or kill your ass. Whoa! I almost shot myself. That shit was crazy. I barely touched the trigger. I was like, ah! I was like, ah! Look. Rabbit. Rabbit. Look. Whoa. Let's go. Do what? Not really. I'm just kind of walking around this building. I'm probably going to get shot because I'm bored. Oh, I hear a bullet. There's a slit right here in the carpet, so if I stand up, I can see them. I can look right here and see out. And I can cover that way and this way. Yeah. So why don't you stand in that corner like I told you and cover that door? I got that door covered this way, you got that door covered that way and this way, and Rob got this one. Yeah, but you have to be inside the building. You gotta be in the building. I didn't know we were out of the building. I didn't know. You can do it. Do it. See what happens. And if you don't, I do. And if neither of us do, the hostage does. I've given the hostage the grenade. Ooh, cigarette. Good idea. This is a very long waiting though. and hope that the other hostage doesn't die. No, but I brought 2 pistols and a cigarette. How about I just throw my gun at you? Because I have 2. No! Hold that fucking grenade, bitch. What? Our hostage wants to die. Do what? Aww. Dude, I wish I could shoot somebody through this hole. That'd be awesome. They're like, blah, you're dead. Blah, you're dead. Yeah. All I play is Modern Warfare 3. See, I wasn't big on the mission. I play a lot of multiplayer. Yeah. Play a lot of multiplayer and a lot of survival. That's pretty much what we're doing. Do what? Do it now! I almost want to let him come and grab the hostage. Like, fuck it, just let him in. You know? I'm willing to wait until they came in to clear that room. And by then, they'd already be, because either you or I would have. I'm still gonna get shot just standing here in the open. Alright. Fuck, you know what I just realized? I'm gonna get parlayed right here. Stand here. As long as the grenade don't go off, I don't care. Just don't come out of the room. And don't kill yourself before they get here. Fuck, I don't know. I don't hear gunfire off in the distance. Fucking twig, I don't want you. What the hell is going on, man? I'm gonna die of old age. The fucking hostage is gonna get weak and lose the grip of the grenade.
He's gonna kill us all.
Bitch gonna kill himself before the game even starts. What? Rabbit? You know what? Fuck that piece of wood. Yeah, I know. I'm like following it around the house. Ooh, look. Huh? Piece of plywood. Holy shit! The game just fucking started. Oh my god. Fucking A, man. I wish I would have brought my riot shield. Can we get a bathroom break? Yeah. Whoa! God damn it! That's the second time that's happened. Uh-oh. Apparently Rob couldn't wait. reload that gun. Yay! People dying. I can see out of here. Hey, I can almost see Rob. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna if you don't shut up. Oh, that would have been bad if I'd have come around the corner and seen somebody. Because I had a gun like this, and it's a blowback. Blah! Ow! I'm gonna shoot you as soon as you come around the corner. Nope. Stay back. Okay. Yeah. I get the hostage grenade. It's under him. Yeah. As soon as they pick him up. Well, the grenade. Well, it's like he's got it in his hand right now. As soon as they get here, he's gonna put it on his foot. Mario said it can't be in your hand. So, like, put it in the corner, put your heel on it or something. Just don't kill yourself. Oh, shit. Throw it. Ah. Did you get lucky? So much for that. Good thing that's wasn't... No, he freaking went to put it on the ground and it slipped out of his hand and almost blew. Why? Yeah, but we can't do that, can we?
No, technically,
Well, if it goes off, he's dead. No, rabbit's in the back. Unless he died. I fixed my pistol. Fucking shoved it with a knife. What? Really? God damn it. So that's game. Be careful that it doesn't go off hand. Can you squeeze it? Good. Front door, Rob. back door, whatever.
Grab, is that you? You have my snacks? Did you really? Grab, go to the wall. Grab!
Did I get you?
Oh, I heard it! I got it! Woo!
Give me that. Just right here. I don't know what I need. Hold on, hold on. Stuck on my glove. Rabbit, watch out front. God damn it. Yeah, that's scaring me. Cannot have it in your hand. Nah, I doubt it.
Right here, right there. No, from the doorway to the backside wall over here?
Yeah.
No, that's not 10 feet. Hang on. Here, get on the back door.
I didn't move.
Dude, that is not 10 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At the wall. He was here. It's like 11 feet.
I'll take the hit. If he wants to, I'll just take the hit. If he's gonna argue.
Not 10 feet. Well, that's fine. We're not.
Well, that's fine.
Red, center hallway.
Hmm.
Back room right here.
Did he call that? Dude, he's waiting on me. Dude, did you seriously just shoot that pallet?
No, it just goes in back.
Okay. I thought it went through the pallet.
Huh?
Yeah. I'm just gonna stand here though. Outside. I got the camera.
Hey guys.
Actually,
Build the building. I'm out of the way, guys. Go for that. I'm ready to make it happen. Let me shot the back side. Rep. You're in a bad spot, man. You might want to go back. I can see it here. Hey,
why don't you move right here, man?
I can't watch it. Like made my finger go like ball, like you know those like tuning forks or whatever.
Oh, damn, I tried to hide.
Hey, coming out, let him out, guys. You know those,
Yeah, let me out.
you know those tuning forks?
Yeah.
It's like boing, it's like. We're at the back of the building. Guys, we're at the building. Wrap at the back.
Which way?
Where's the way?
Oh. It didn't go off.
We're in the building.
It didn't go off. It didn't go off. Did it swell? I don't.
He had him when he grabbed him. He's like standing right here.
I know.
I'm like, oh, they're right there. There's the pivot point. Because once he gets around it, we can tell.
Yeah, but the dude was standing right here for. I don't want to touch it because I don't. Why don't you? Is it soft or is it?
Damn, that was a
It's
good
actually
idea.
the hostages.
Coming out! Rep coming out!
You got your gun?
No, they're out here. Coming out. Coming out. Coming out. Out the back. Don't shoot me. Coming out. You guys got lucky. Man, can't believe it didn't go off.
I almost had that spot where you were sitting in the corner.
Yeah.
The dude started running that way, but another guy was covering the other corner. So I was like, shit. So I tried to run up against the barrier real quick before he could turn the corner. It was too late. He clipped my vest.
Doesn't matter. The other hostage already died.
Yeah.
Really?
Friendly fire. He's sitting in a chair, and the dude's come in the room, and he's like, bam, bam. The hostage is like, you can get shot.